What is that?
Yeah.
That's Play-Doh.
Dada.
That's Play-Doh. What are you making? No, you don't eat it. Ew. That doesn't taste good. You play with you. You pretend. Yeah. Yeah. What are you going to make with that?
Da.
Yeah, what's that?
Da.
What are you making? Okay, so yeah, we go. No, we don't eat it. Yucky, you don't eat Play-Doh. No, 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 you don't eat it. You make shapes and you can poke it. You can poke it like boop, boop. And put a smiley face in there. You could squish it. You could go. Yeah. Yeah. Squish it. You can poke it, you can pound it, you can squish it. But we don't eat it. No eating. Wow, look at that. What's that? What's that? Oh, thank you. Okay, so I'm supposed to do something with this? Alright, and I'm gonna roll it. I'm rolling it. Look at that. You roll it like a big ball. Oh. What is that? Is that a circle? It's a circle. Yeah, you made a circle and now you're squishing it? Did you just squish my circle? Did you just squish my circle? Hmm? Oh. Oh yeah. Pull it and it's fun, isn't it? No, don't eat. Ew, yuck. Come on. It's not for eating. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Don't eat. Do not eat.